Hi. Already kitty noises. Hi. Hi, you want to come up here again? Yeah, you just want me to pet you? This is great quality stuff here. Hi. Hello. Cat interlude. Hi. Hello, you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? No? You're just going to be mysterious? Meow. I really want to go visit Hobbiton at some time in my life, and I figure now is as good a time as any. Cat! Hello! You're a nuisance. Oh, yes, you are a big nuisance. Ah, in my lap. Hi. You say hi? You're an internet star now? This is the cat that I'm fostering at the moment. His name is Peckham. And he is very curious and very affectionate and very pushy. Yeah? Oh, you're stuck, aren't ya? You're stuck a little bit, huh? You're stuck on my lap. You're just trapped. What you doing? You say hi? Come here. You say hi? Hello. All right. Still button my face. Oh, kitty. Hello. Hi. Oh, you're such a pretty kitty. Yeah. Such a pretty kitty. What you doing?